Hello, hola, привет. Welcome to Journeys with Bianca Janine. Today, we are gonna go cross country. Like, by all means, we're going cross country. So today's mission is to make it from Los Angeles, California, up into New Mexico. Today is the day we move. That's our mattress in there. My whole life has to fit in this U-Haul. It's best to underpack. Good night, Palos Verdes. Get in my belly. There's a storm a-brewing. Ah, tornado! Oh my gosh, guys. We almost just ran out of gas in the middle of nowhere. Ah, but we found a cute spot. Let me show you around. Shiny boat. Oh, there's even a back seat. Opa. Nuka. Is this the same car? So now we're on our way towards our next stop. Should be Arizona. I think we might stop in Flagstaff and make our way up to 40. So we're taking the majority of Route 66. So let me go ahead and give you a little look at what we have here. The palm trees, don't those just signify oasis? Of course, brought to you by Chevron. And there's so many mariposas, how do you say it? Butterflies? The monarch butterfly. There he is. Hi. What are you doing, little guy? Oh, I don't mean to scare you. Beautiful. You got this lovely lady. Look at those silly flamingos. Nice. There goes Alex Brezhnev. Diaries number 1. Packing up for the U-Haul was intense. And I didn't do it right the first time, so we did it twice. You want to underpack, not overpack. Of course, I want to keep all my items, so I did. So that was mistake number one on the way over here. Number two, your car is gonna be so heavy with the U-Haul, so you might run out of gas. We're in the desert, and luckily we found this oasis in the middle of nowhere. Hauling that U-Haul really takes extra gas. Being in 90 to 100 degree weather, wanting that luxury of air conditioning also plays a part in it. So I almost got stranded right here. Like, thank God for this place. Be prepared for the unexpected. Once you hit half tank, I mean it, ladies, go get that gas tank filled, because you're gonna need it. There's just so much open space here. So far it was just that I wanted to share that might have a little scare. I almost got stranded. Dun, dun, dun. I'll see you in the next state. Coming in hot to Arizona. Kavasu, baby. So when you start seeing the green, that's how you know you're crossing the border. Oh, here comes some water. Let me give you a close-up. Oppa, but first, a word from these guys. Oh, I want one. Lodging. Ah, like hotels. Train. What's your price? What's your price? $5.19. Mobile gas coming in at $5.19 per gallon. Oh my gosh, look at that Hummer. No, wait a minute. Is that a Jeep? If the 90s were a boat. That's an oldie but a goodie. Lake Havasu. The Colorado River. Here comes the sign for Arizona. Ready? Let's zoom it in. In 3, 2, 1, cheese. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it. This guy is losing his tire all over the road. I didn't film the beginning, but why hasn't he stopped? Sir, your tire's fallen off. You left about a mile of that stretched along. Look, does he really not know why?
Maybe he show him.
Sir. SpaceX. Just kidding, I don't know what that is. animal. Nuka nuka. These little cactuses has little skulls. So cute. Oh, look at the little wheels. Look at. Little piggies. What's the word on the street? Today's word is schlepper. Hat, cachucha, cap. Do you like my new schlepper? Too much exposure. Cute. Welcome to my crib. Oh, look, let's see. Is that so? Cute. Very nice. It's beautiful. Well, we made it to the Grand Canyon, Arizona. It's beautiful. Love it. Recommend it. Oop, let's go check it out. Oh, it's a personal balcony. Very nice. Love it. Close. Push. Oh, some booty power. I like that. Okay, paka. Oh, they're playing soccer or something. We're gonna go see the Grand Canyon, Bryce Canyon, and Lake Powell. We're gonna be heading out there for about a week or so. So stay tuned.